The 10 best multiple USB port chargers. So you've got a smartphone, a tablet, a pair of Bluetooth headphones, and a friend coming over with a battery at 1%. Your computer has one USB port, maybe two. So how do you keep everything charged up and avoid a chaotic tangle of cables? These multi-port chargers can handle up to 10 devices at once, and come in various sizes and configurations, good for desktop and travel use. The list starts from Acer IW1801. While it may not have the highest capacity, the Acer IW1801 APPX $9 does a good job of refueling mobile phones safely. That's thanks to its 2 amp maximum per type of connector and its intelligent charging technology that detects a device's power requirements. Very affordable. Sold in a pack of 2. But maxes out at 15 watts. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. 9th one is Nectec 4UT01. It's not the most recent release, but at only about $20. The Nectec 4UT01 is an economical option for keeping phones, tablets, and notebooks up and running. It includes an E-marked, two-sided, Type-C cable that's capable of handling up to 100 watts safely. 3 type of sockets, 60 watts of USB-C power delivery, but tends to get warm during heavy use. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Anker Power Port Speed 5, able to deliver up to 18 volts each through 2 of its outputs. The Anker Power Port Speed 5, around $35, can get compatible devices up to 80% in just 30 minutes. It's relatively affordable for a 5-port model and is backed by a reassuring 18-month warranty. Velcro straps for cable management. Removable power cord, but no USB-C socket. Well, here is the 7th one. Anker Power Port Atom PD2. The Anker Power Port Atom PD2, around $54, splits 60 watts between 2 USB-C devices, allowing you to juice up an iPhone at the same time as a MacBook with relative efficiency. Its small size and folding plug make it a good choice for those who travel a lot. Warranty period is above average. Uses the power delivery protocol, but doesn't come with a cable. You should look into this product, it was surely well marketed. Orki PAT16. 2 type of ports that both support the official Qualcomm Quick Charge Orki UC 3.0 protocol helped to set the Orki PAT16 around $19. Apart from the crowd, it's suitable for use with most of the newest phones, including those made by Samsung and Motorola. Total output of up to 39 watts. Compact construction, but not ideal for iPhones. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list, Nectec 5UT01. 1 Type A and 4 Type C sockets on the Nectec 5UT01. About $49. Allow you to keep various devices topped up at the same time. It puts out up to 87 watts using the power delivery protocol in addition to the 12-watt output. Common to USB connections. 2-year warranty. Includes an E-marked cable, but doesn't support Qualcomm QC. Customers are king and according to them one should buy this one. Orki PAT11. When you need to recharge several devices at once, but don't want to wait forever, check out the Orki PAT11. About $32. 2 of its 6 type of sockets are capable of using Qualcomm's QC 3.0 standard, while the other 4 offer the typical maximum of 12 watts. Overcurrent protection. Detachable power cable, but reasonable price. If you want cost efficient, this new one is for you. Anker Power Port Atom 3 Dual. If you have a recent 2-in-1 notebook, PC and a cutting-edge smartphone, the Anker PowerPort Atom 3 Dual, about $42, can refuel both of them simultaneously, thanks to its Power IQ versions 2 and 3 controller chips, which increase voltage levels when used with compatible devices. Maximum capacity of 60 watts. Gallium nitride converter, but works well with a MacBook Pro. According to reviews, the second best product is Sabrantax series. The Sabrantax series, around $54, is worth a look for those with a large collection of battery-powered electronics, as is offered with 5, 6, 8, or 10 ports and optional Type-C connectors with a maximum power delivery output of 87 watts. Prevents overcharging, surge protection, but suitable for international use. Now here is our best the king product. Anker PowerPort Atom 3 Slim. A 45-watt power delivery output means the Anker PowerPort Atom 3 Slim, around $53, can accommodate a variety of today's most compact laptops. The gallium nitride composition of its internal components allows it to provide more efficient power without producing much heat. Weighs about 5 ounces, less than an inch thick, but advanced circuit protection.